My Lady, the Chief Justice and members of the court, I've just been alerted by a senior counsel who is locked out, who should be in these proceedings. Senior Counsel Paul Muite and Counsel Ali Mansour for the IBC. I think it's a matter which is live before the court to make a determination whether they could be had. But they have filed papers and they ought to be left at least allowed in.
Senior Counsel, they have not been disarmed. They have not been disarmed. The commissioners to IBC have not been disarmed. They were, as respondents, they are entitled to be present with their lawyers.
Yeah, my lady, probably I'm not understood. I've not been understood by the court. There are two factions of the IBC, so to speak.
Both factions are allowed
to
participate in the proceedings
with
their lawyers.
So I think Senior Counsel Paul Muite should be allowed in.
Yes.
Senior Counsel Ali Mansour.
Yes.
They just told me they are not been allowed to come in.
That I don't know who read that ruling. It must be upside down, because we allowed the commissioners to participate with their lawyers. They can be called in. Any other appearance? Yes.
My Lady, the President of the Court and members of the Court, in this petition, my name is James Orengo, and I appear together with Senior Counsel Philip Murgor, Paul Mwangi, Jackson Awele, Velma Auma for respondent number 11.
My lords and my ladies, for petition number 3, Otieno Willis. I do appear for the petitioners. Maybe there was a mix-up in the numbers. For petition 3, it's Willis Otieno for the petitioners, appearing with Nelson Osiemo.
May it please you, Madam Chief Justice and the members of the court, my name is Githu Muigai, Senior Counsel. In that matter, I appear for Mr. Wafula Chebukati, the chairman of IEBC, assisted by Mr. Eric Gumbo. I also appear for IEBC, assisted by Mr. Kamau Karori, Senior Counsel.
Paul Muite, Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice, Your Ladyship, my lords, in petition number 1, I am instructed by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission to appear for it on the basis of a resolution by 4 commissioners, and I appear with my colleague, Issa Mansour. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam Chief Justice, maybe this would be a good time to give directions on how we should proceed on this rather irritating and irrelevant matter that has been raised, when it is quite clear that the record speaks for itself. my learned friends filed appearance way before the said resolutions, but I do not wish to go into the evidence without your permission and without your directions, whether we do